say?
Thunder, you come to mommy? Thunder, you wanna come to mommy here, Thunder? Thunder, Thunder, you wanna come, mommy? Mommy patting you? Hmm? No? He likes to be patted. Thunder, you wanna come to mommy here? Come on, Thunder. Thunder, come here, mommy. Wanna come here? Okay. You don't love mommy today? Thunder, you want daddy today? No? Thunder? Thunder? Ayaw niya sa akin ngayon kasi wala akong pagkain. Hindi man siya gutom. Mauna siyang still lang siya diha. Ganahan siya pat daddy, oh. Thunder, come here, Thunder. Come on. Wait. Thunder. Come to mommy now, Thunder. Come to mommy ba? Ayaw mo. Ayaw niya. Kasi pag gusto talaga niya mag-come diri, come na dyan na siya. Dili yun siya mo. Come kay kanang ganahan man siya sa pagpat ni daddy ngayon. Lang, oh. Stay good siya diha. Gipaak ka, Dade? Did he bite you or scratch? That's a love bite. A love bite, Thunder? Nanggigil si Thunder sa imuha. Nanggigil, I don't know what's in English. He loves you more. He loves you the most. Nanggigil. I don't know what is nanggigil. Too much play. Too much play, that's why he's giggle on you. Wag ka sabot ang duha. Thunder.
I'm scared now.
Thunder, you wanna come to mommy? Thunder? Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya talaga mag-come ka mama ngayon, oh. Coming na siya sa akin. Magwapat na po siya sa ako. Ow! Ay, mamaak lang de ka mo. Mama, mamaak lang ka, ha? Ow! That's enough na, oy. That's enough. Maak man ikaw, no? Maak man ikaw, no? Babay na, oy.